Fellow Nigerians, today I wish to address the opposition political parties of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. By opposition political parties, I'm talking about those political parties in government that are not APC. Now, at this point, I can say that I don't even understand what you're doing. Because your silence is deafening. It is not enough that some of you just tweet or make some statements on newspapers and you think that is all. No. You have to carry out some practical actions against the many anomalies going on in Nigeria today. So if you are silent and you think that by 2023 you will just come and begin to share money or to rig and you think Nigerians will vote for you, that may be very difficult. Because that is why the Global Coalition for Security and Democracy in Nigeria is talking and talking and talking now and carrying out practical actions so that we can change the status quo, so that we can change the mindset where we are reconscientizing Nigerians out of the cesspit of ignorance. Now, what do you need to do? Look at the manifesto of the so-called ruling party, APC. Look at this manifesto one by one. Begin to tell Nigerians if their promises were kept, because they promised us change. Begin to analyze their change. Did they fulfill their manifesto promises? Take, for example, Fashola told us that the only way to have 24/7 electricity in Nigeria is to take out APC from government. Nigerians did that. Today, the same Fashola is saying that only a magician can give Nigerians electricity within their period of stay in government. You must hammer on that. That is failure. Hammer on their failures for national interest. That is what we should be talking about. You must build strong opposition, healthy opposition for national interest. Amechi Rotimi, he said that politicians are stealing because Nigerians have not stoned them. So what do? We organize a national stoning day. Don't be afraid. Our coalition is not a violent organization. We're not talking about the violent kind of stoning. So what do? Just the way Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired, just like what he did when he was military head of state, lining people up for firing squad. So what do? You organize huge concerts, organize rallies, organize seminars. Then let everybody meet in maybe a stadium. Then build human figures, just like firing squad. All the human figures, give them names: INEC, Ruga, electricity, bad roads, water, abuse of the rule of law, disrespect for court orders. Name them: hunger, hardship, insecurity. Name all these figures. In the course of the social programs, Nigerians should come there and start to stone them until they fall. Make sure they fall. That should be the game. By doing all of this, you will be building a new consciousness to the people. New consciousness to the people. APC protested when PDP was in government. APC called for revolution. Now this is the time for you, opposition parties, to call for revolution, peaceful protest revolution against all that is wrong with today's Nigeria. Begin to organize your street protests. Let Nigerians see what you are doing too. With this, you'll be endearing your hearts to Nigerians towards 2023. That is what we call national building, nation building. Fill the streets with fresh colors of hope against today's hopelessness. Today's government is polarizing Nigerians. They are creating a gap. You see what their social assistance government people are doing? They are tweeting, they are insulting Nigerians, they are putting fear, they are creating laws against the use of social media, air speech and all that. They are not facing the real issues of insecurity, of food. They are so far away from the people. That is why the Minister of Agriculture said that there is no hunger in Nigeria, when 94 million people are living in abject poverty. And that is why the Minister of Works, Fashola, is saying that the roads are not as bad. that it is Nigerians that misuse the road. Insulting. These are issues we must be discussing about. Fill our streets again with fresh colors of hope. Bring Nigerians together. Patriotism is dead in Nigeria, or almost dying in Nigeria. Why? Because this government does not understand the motto of Nigeria: unity and faith, peace and progress. Today, there's no unity in country. There's no faith in country. And where there is no faith in country, there can never be patriotism. Today, there is no peace. Today, there is no progress. Therefore, you must begin to formulate strategies on what could be done differently from what this government is doing. Who knew that with all their promises, APC will end up like this? A draconian government that disrespects court orders. You must begin to speak on such things. Begin to act on them. Bring hope to our people again. I know that if you do all of this, you will be building a new Nigeria. I know that we, as a people, we shall smile again. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.